Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube in 2025. The restricted mode filters out the potentially mature content, but if you want full access, here is how to disable it step by step. First of all, you need to log in into your YouTube application with your email account. You can do it in your phone or in your desktop. So over here, if you are inside your YouTube application on your phone, you need to simply tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If you are accessing it in your web browser, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner in order to access the settings. Now over here, tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner and then tap on the option of general. In general, you need to just scroll down and try to find the option of restricted mode. As you can see, the third last option here in the bottom is of restricted mode. So if in your case, if this particular button is turned on, you need to tap on it in order to turn it off, and this will instantly disable the restricted mode. Now in order to just basically see how the changes are applicable on your feed, you can just simply go on the home page of your application and reload the application or the page to make sure that the restricted mode is off. On the shared devices, you may need the admin rights to fully disable it. If you are using desktop instead of general, you need to tap on the option of account first, and then if you tap on the option of settings, you will be able to access the restricted mode option. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more YouTube tips, and comment below if you would like me to cover any other topics. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.